Alright, in this video we are going to learn the basics of Chemdraw Ultra. As you can see from here, these are the basic tools that are used in drawing chemical structures, especially in organic chemistry and other branches of chemistry. The first thing that we are going to do is to explore the uses of these tools. There is one here, it's called the lasso tool. It is for selecting specific elements in what in your working directory. This is working directory. Like for example, we have drawn benzene. Let's draw benzene. You just click here, click once, then come to your working space here, click once, and benzene is drawn. In case you want to add another benzene here, like naphthalene, you can easily click like that. It creates the bonds automatically. You want to add another benzene here, like that. You can add another one here, like that. You can add another one here. You can also add another one here. So this is just the use how the benzene can be drawn in different ways. So the lasso tools is used for selecting. In case you want to select the all of these, you can easily come to the lasso tool here, and it is already selected. But then if you want, especially let's say that we have two of these, so first copy this one here, copy, and then paste it elsewhere, paste it there. So the thing is, if you want to select all of these, you use the lasso tool, because let's, for example, it has selected this one only, this one, so you want to select even this one here together. So you usually come here and follow this, just draw anything here, you select like this. It has selected everything. If you want to delete, you can click backspace, and then you can come back. So what about if you want to select only one of these? You can come here, you want to select one of that only, you come here, you just draw this rough line around it using the lasso tool, and it's selected. You click and delete that one only. You can also click this one like this. It's also, that's the use of the lasso tool. Now let's come to this one here, the mark tool. Let's say that we have drawn our benzene still like this, like this. Now the mark tool is used. It's also a selection tool, but it is what? It is different from the lasso tool in that you can select only one of these things here. It's for selecting specific items, specific bonds. Like for example, want to select that bond, want to delete it, you delete like that. You select this one, delete it. It's for selecting specific bonds or specific elements that you are working on. Click that, delete, and only remain with this one here. You can also click here, delete that bond, and you create this kind of shape here. That's the use of the lasso, the mark tool. I mean, not the lasso, the mark tool. You can also click here and then come up here. You click drag as if you are making a rectangle. It selects everything, and then you delete. Now, working with the bonds like benzene attached to some other elements, the first thing that you do is you can click here, create the benzene ring here. Then this tool here is a solid bond. It's for creating bonds. You can come here and click here like that. You can click here like that, click there like that. All these bonds are 120 degrees. So now we want to select only a specific bond here, or you want to make this bond a double bond. Already your tool here is selected, so you usually come here and just click there, and a double bond is created. You also come here, click there, a double bond is created. Now it's giving us an error here. That means that the compound, the carbon atom which is here, is attached to 5 bonds, which is not true. It's supposed to only be attached to 4. Then there are 5 bonds here. That's why you see this error here. So to remove this one of these bonds, you easily come here. That tool selects everything, but you click outside here, and then you go and select only that, remove that one, then come again here and create your bond, and it's perfect. That's how you do it. Let's say that we want to attach some other compounds there, such as oxygen. You easily come to this text tool. It is for writing text, and then you click there, come to this on top here, and then make sure that your caps lock is on side, that you draw bigger elements. So you come outside here, click there, don't worry about this one, there is no problem. Then come here, you want to attach something there like OH again, like OH. Make sure your caps lock is on, OH, like that. Simple as this. Now another way of creating this this acid here, this is benzene carboxylic acid. Another way of creating this acid is to easily come to structure here. You convert the name to structure. Anything you can write there. Benzoic acid, you say benzoic acid, like that, and it brings for you that structure. So that's another way of creating compounds, of drawing compounds, just by coming to structure here, convert the name, you write any name, and it gives you. You can easily select this one only. No, use the marquee, the lasso tool, I mean, not the marquee, the lasso tool. Just draw here like this, and delete it like that. That's how you draw. Now assuming you want a carbon atom here to show instead of these bonds here, what we are going to do is we are going to remove that. We are going to remove this. We shall remove that bond. We shall remove this one also. We shall remove this water. So we want to attach methyl benzene to form methyl benzene. To attach a methyl here, you come to this. Just come here. When that blue arrow shows, that blue sign, you click there. Then make sure your caps lock is on. Then you write CH3, not CH3. It's already automated. Now assuming like that. Now assuming it doesn't come automatically as CH3, you write CH3 like this. You usually highlight this one here, and then come to this, because it is a subscript. You just click there, and everything is done already. But this red arrow shows that there is something which is missing, because this one is supposed to be methane, but it's lacking one hydrogen. That's why it's giving us the error. So let's come there, we delete there. That's not what we're interested in. Now we want this thing here to form a structure. You can easily come here, come to Windows, not Windows. You come to this, find a structure of this. You click OK, not that one. You want just like sulfuric acid. You come to this font style to make the formula. Sometimes like that, but let's remove this. Assuming you want to write a mechanism of, you have to plan first on what to do. The first thing that we are going to do is to select what let's say that we have benzoic acid, not benzoic acid, but let's have phenol. Let's add phenol. We put here like that. We want to attach a phenol group here. Write OH. That's what phenol means. That's what the structure of a phenol. From there, you want it maybe to react with the a base to form a pinnate ion. The first thing that you do here is to we have our OH. Now, one of the things that we have to first do there is to make this hydrogen separate from oxygen by using a bond. So to do that, because this you wrote it using a text, so that means you have to come back here and then click there, remove that, come to this bond, click there, and then you can go back to your text tool, come back here and write H, as simple as that. And then from there, it's assuming this is reacting with a base, we are going to write here O, then come here, remove this, you remove this like that, you come back here like that, that is H, a base like that. But now before we write that, let's first remove this. We want to reduce this bond here. We want to reduce this bond and make it horizontal. So you easily come to this here. Now it's selecting everything, but click outside here and then come here, click to this bond only, and then until you see this middle arrow, then you can reduce it, turn it like this. Make sure you press shift to make that horizontal, like that. Come to this, make it horizontal, as simple as that. Like that possibly. Come to this, reduce that like that. Just play around with it, like that. Like that. Then come and attach your hydrogen there like this. Put hydrogen and the ready arrow still appears, the ready sign still appears. First select the whole of this, come here, that means that there is something lacking. There are lone pairs of electrons remaining. Lone pairs of electrons, you easily come to this, are they here? Not there. Come here and then while holding your left click, come and click here like this. Then these are two lone pairs, pick them, come and put them there, come here again, put others here, and then now there is a negative charge here. You usually just carry this and put there, not that. Click here to remove this specific, you just click them and then come here, you click the negative charge, come here, and the sign now disappears. So you want to write an arrow from here to that. These are where the arrows, your arrows are. Click here while holding, come and click there, get any arrow here, any arrow, either this, any of these ones that you want to use, depending on the curvature of your battery. I will show you two options here. The first thing is to use maybe any of these tools, those arrows I mean, then click like this and come there. But want it to go up, you come here and like that, come to this, reduce it like that. You want this bone breaks now, of course. You come here like this, come to the middle here and drag it upwards like that. Now this one, take it a bit up, no, select this, delete that one, that was a mistake. Come to this arrow like this, like that, and that is how you do it. Then after that, now this iron here, after breaking, you form now for you to get the arrow which shows the direction of the reaction. Just come to this very one while holding, come there, come to this, just click and drag like that. Then come here. The first thing that you are going to do is to draw the iron which has been formed plus water. To do that is simply come here, click here, come to this, and at least try to move it a bit. Then come and draw your bone here. Come to your text tool, write oxygen. That's the thing that's formed. Then it is negative. It is negative. Come to this, put a negative charge there. That shows that that compound is not stable. It can react further with some other compounds or elements to form other compounds. Now plus water, you just come here, click your tool, your text tool, come there, plus you just get from your keyboard here by pressing shift, and then where the plus is, then you can increase the size of this by highlighting there, then coming to this, put 16. You can put it as bold like that. Then plus water, you can even come to structure here and then write water. Simple. Come here and put water there. You can remove the name here and you remain with that. Come to this and drag this somehow downwards like that. That's how you write these mechanisms using those. So we continue next time.